Hey guys, Watson here. I'm not doing my intro because I'm doing something, Doctor Who. A toy review. Sonic screwdriver. To be precise. Lights up when you now push this button and makes a sound. Push this button and it extends like that. And it's a little secrets. Hey. Now push that and it works as a sonic screwdriver. No, Casey, I need to hold it. Now if you do this, push the, let me just descend it. You push the button that does that, which is right here, 2 times, and then hold. That sound, and then if you do it, push it 3 times, and then hold on the 4th. Sounds like it's from Five Nights at Freddy's. Hey, I want to do something. I want to show you something. Hey guys, there's a black button that also uses the sonic screwdriver. Hey, I'm the doctor. Don't confuse the doctor.
Hey, he's a doctor.
Life level.
My broken leg.
Life level 5.
Hey, help me. I need my leg's broken. You're a doctor, right?
No.
Come back here. Let's get something.
Yes, I'm not being mean to Casey. See. Sonic. Okay. I'll do something for you. Hey. Scanning. Life level 0. I know you can't see it, but I can.
I'll call him too.
Go. Run like Springtrap's chasing you. That's not how you run. Let's run. When I say when I say run. Don't you use that word for me. Leave me alone! Casey, stop it! I know you got that new toy, but I'm reviewing my sonic screwdriver!
I know. Lots of ways to going away.
No, I don't!
I don't know and I don't care.
This is the end of the video. Bye!